In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove birthdays from Google Calendar quickly and easily by editing the contact behind the birthday event. This is a really useful trick if your calendar is cluttered with birthdays you don't want to see anymore, or if someone's birthday was entered by mistake and you want to clean things up across your Google account. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to know is that birthdays in Google Calendar are usually pulled from Google Contacts, not removed directly inside Calendar itself. So instead of deleting the event from Calendar, you'll be editing the contact information that creates it. That means once you remove the birthday from the contact, it should disappear from Google Calendar as well. To get started, open Google Contacts on your computer or phone. You can do this by going to contacts.google.com in your browser or by opening the Contacts app if you're on mobile and signed into the correct Google account. Make sure you're using the same account that's connected to the Google Calendar where the birthday appears. Once Google Contacts loads, look through your contacts and click the name of the person whose birthday you want to remove. This will open that person's contact details. If you have a lot of contacts, you can use the search bar at the top to find them faster. Just type their name and select the correct contact from the results. After the contact opens, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit button. Click that to start editing the contact information. This will take you into the contact edit screen, where you can change things like phone numbers, email addresses, notes, and birthdays. Now scroll through the contact details until you find the birthday field. In many cases, you'll see the birthday listed there as a saved date. Next to that field, click the X or the remove button. This is the part that actually deletes the birthday information from the contact, which is what stops it from showing up in Google Calendar. Once the birthday has been removed, make sure to click Save. This step is important because if you leave the page without saving, the change may not apply. After you save it, Google will update the contact information and remove that birthday from the calendar view tied to your account. If you don't see the change immediately, give Google a little time to sync. Sometimes it can take a moment for Calendar to refresh, especially if you're using multiple devices. You can also reload Google Calendar or open it again to confirm that the birthday event is gone. And that's it. You've now removed birthdays from Google Calendar by deleting the birthday from Google Contacts. This is the cleanest way to do it because it removes the source of the birthday rather than just hiding the event for a moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.